In this video, we will learn how the Taptic Engine vibration motor works in the iPhone and what types of motors have been used since the first iPhone to the present day, how they work and what they have inside. Types of vibration motors. Rotating with an eccentric is the oldest, cheapest and most popular vibration motor. It was in all iPhones up to the iPhone 6 line. Technically, this is just an ordinary electric motor, on the shaft of which an unbalanced load is fixed in the form of an eccentric. An imbalance occurs during rotation and creates vibration. And since the motor is screwed to the base of the case, we feel this very vibration in our hands. The advantages of such a vibration motor: cheapness and simplicity, easy to manage, strong vibration. Minuses: you can't make different types of vibration. The vibration strength cannot be adjusted. The vibration does not disappear immediately because the motor needs time to stop. In budget smartphones, such a motor is still used, but in a slightly modified form. The principle has remained unchanged with all the pros and cons, but the appearance has changed to that of a pill. Now the eccentric rotates in a circle inside the round body, linear vibration motor Taptic Engine. It is installed in modern smartphones of the middle and upper segment. The principle of operation of such a vibration motor is simple. Inside the cylinder, the plate moves only in one plane, left or right, and the movement itself is caused by a coil, which is supplied with current, so that it turns into a magnet and repels the moving part. If you reverse the polarity of this magnet, the plate will push off in the other direction, and the springs on both sides are designed to instantly dampen vibrations. This design allows you to get a precisely set vibration effect, devoid of the disadvantages of conventional motors with an eccentric. This design was first used in the iPhone 6. Positive: instant reaction, control of operating time and vibration strength. Different vibration usage scenarios. Minuses: more expensive. Thanks to this motor, Apple was able to implement a variety of vibration scenarios and create the same tactile connection, but besides such a rectangular structure, where the plate moves along the x-axis, there is also another type of vibration motors, where the mass does not move along the body, but to the screen and back. This is the type used in the iPhone 4 South model. This motor can easily be confused with its eccentric counterpart. Visually they differ little and have the shape of a tablet. Now you have learned how the vibrator works in your smartphone. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel.